guys, it's Robin.
Hi guys.
And this is my friend Mike.
Yay,
from
for Hey That's Mike.
And I'm so excited that we're here at BronyCon this week. And I got something really old here, guys. We just figured out this is older than Holly. It's older than my sister.
1979.
1979. It is a Strawberry Shortcake Play-Doh playset. I don't even think, oh no, it is legit Play-Doh. It has the Play-Doh logo on it. I got this on eBay. And I'm really excited to open it with Mike here because he's also been collecting Strawberry Shortcake
Love
stuff
Play-Doh,
on,
love Strawberry Shortcake.
on eBay. And we're probably bidding against each other on stuff because he had posted a picture. It was the Purple Pie Man, I think. And I was like, what? They have this on eBay? And it's not that expensive. I thought they would be like really, really expensive.
I got the two Purple Pie Mans. I got, because there were two, it's the same Purple Pie Man, but there were two different boxes. So it was the first release, second release. And I bought both of them at the same time.
But I had always thought they would be super expensive, so I always wanted to get a Strawberry Shortcake doll again, and I found really good ones at decent prices. And then I found this. I always wanted this as a kid, but my mom did not want me to have more Play-Doh because we used to get Play-Doh all over the carpet. And, yeah. But yeah, oh my gosh. So this is really old. I have no idea what kind of shape it's in. There's a little bit of tape on the box, so I don't know if it really hasn't been opened. I mean, the box looks like it's in pretty good condition considering
it's a great
how
condition
old
box.
it is. This is just, it's older than most of you guys.
It's 30,
most definitely.
what, 31 years old?
79.
No, 20.
Oh my gosh. It's
7,
here.
20,
You used to be able to
36
collect these
years
berry
old.
points. I don't know if you can see that. So it says here, collect these berries for a special surprise gift. Offer expires May 1st, 1982. I think I was like 7 or something back then. And so there's like some rattling and stuff in here. So let me just show you the box again. The box art is super cute. There's strawberry and huckleberry there. And I love those old designs. They're so cute. And this is all the stuff it supposedly comes with. There's like a Play-Doh canisters. There's a placemat, this ladybug, and some molds and a plastic knife. And this art on the bottom is so hilarious because they're so derpy looking. They look so like, but it actually looks like something a kid would make.
Yep.
I mean, mine wouldn't even look that good.
No,
probably won't.
Ours is a mess when we do Play-Doh.
I also got some modern Play-Doh from this century.
Yeah,
really,
we're curious what's
century.
going to happen when this Play-Doh comes out. We don't know. We have no
Could
clue.
Explode.
It could be soft. That would be crazy if it was still soft.
Still preserved and like that would be so crazy. Like I wonder what it smells like too. I love how Play-Doh smells. Oh my gosh, I don't even know. These are safety scissors.
Yeah, so it's 36 years old. This
Yeah.
has been waiting to be. This toy has been waiting to be played with for 36
I feel
years.
bad for it. Oh, it's still look. You know what? It
Oh,
wasn't
it
open.
is.
It just had a little
It's
tape,
sealed.
but it's still got the seal on here. This is exciting. I feel like Indiana Jones of
Discovering.
toy collector
I
series.
always get like a little sad when I opened a sealed box from like the
know.
80s or
Yeah,
something.
but,
but
like-
then I open it and like, oh, this is brand new.
I know. Oh, well, let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm so. Oh, there was even like a price tag on here at one point too. Like, I really wonder, like, did somebody like have this in their closet and forget about it all these years? Wow,
it's
squeaky.
brand new.
Whoa. These can't, look, they have them.
Oh.
Oh, they're okay. There's a little bit of rust.
There's rust on it because the bottom,
Yeah. Oh, this is gross.
the old cans used to be metal.
And they all rusted.
Yep. So nowadays, all the Play-Doh cans are plastic.
Wow.
These
this
were
one,
metal.
These have holes in them. So these are going to be.
I don't think they're soft.
Gross. Oh, and it has the little thank you card from Strawberry Shortcake.
And it does
love
come with
these.
a booklet.
I love the booklet. It has all the old merch.
It has
This is
all
so
the
cool.
old strawberry. Oh, that is so cool.
There's like little hunks of crusty Play-Doh
Yeah.
all over here. I should have put it down another place. Oh, this
Wow.
is adorable. This alone to me is, and I didn't pay that much for this either. So the ladybug is in really good condition though. That looks really cute.
That's good. Yep.
And then we've got the little molds. So you can make apple dumpling, strawberry shortcake, the pupcake. Is that his name?
Cupcake.
And then this one has huckleberry, blueberry, and the little kitten custard. So that's actually a bunch of characters.
Oh yeah, this is like original. This isn't like the second
Look
wave
at this
or anything.
awesome
Oh,
fashions.
that's so cool.
That would totally be me and my brother, probably you and your sister.
Yep.
My brother's name is actually Mike
Turtleneck.
too. So it's this is just the, because they always came with
Wow.
envelopes because you can mail the cards to people. I think I gave one to like my grandma as a kid. Oh my gosh, this has all the old Play-Doh sets.
So it's other non-strawberry shortcake ones
like
that you can get
old
from
grill
that
set?
time period.
Wow, this is like, oh my gosh.
Flintstones,
Scooby-Doo, Hanna-Barbera. This is pretty cool.
That's cool.
I definitely remember some of this. Sesame Street. Oh, this thing is classic. They still make this, I think.
Yeah, they do.
This like Spaghetti Factory, whatever it's called. Oh, wow.
Yeah, we didn't have a lot of Play-Doh sets
Oh,
because it did
Monster
get
Shop
everywhere.
and the Drill and Fill, they still make these.
I had the crazy haircut one. I remember that one.
Yeah, I mean, and they make minion versions of this now with the mop tops.
Yep.
Wow, this is a trip down.
No
And the
kidding.
vegetables. Wow, that is so.
So we try opening one of these?
I think we should, even though it's probably going to be gross. And
That's
there's a little
wi-
mat that it comes with.
Oh.
It's really cute. Oh.
Why are these ones are taped? That one's
Yeah.
wrapped in plastic.
That is so weird. And this one is sealed still. And
They're no good. They're
This is
definitely
gonna-
no good anymore.
Oh yeah. These used to be the old metal can. They're like
Oh,
they're
wow.
kind of rusted.
I don't even.
Woo!
I
they
can't
are-
even get the top
wow,
off this
look
one.
at the color. They still smell like Play-Doh. I will say that. I don't know if I want to touch it.
Okay, yeah, these are like stuck on those tops.
Can you see? It looks like dried up grossness. Look at that. But it still smells good. Oh, you're brave. You're touching it. It's like all crystallized. So that's what 36-year-old Play-Doh looks like, guys.
Wow.
It's like crystallized and wow. If we were the Rainy Day Dreamers, we'd be cutting this open and trying this probably, like they did with those Twinkies. But I don't think I'm going to do that.
Well, it's a good thing we have some new.
These are cool little old vintage design cans.
Yeah.
I remember these as a kid too, and they were a lot bigger than too. Like that
Yeah, I
was
don't-
full. Like it
let's see.
dried up, so like it would actually have been a full can of Play-Doh.
They don't
when
have
we were
container
kids.
container size.
Oh,
That's probably that's probably the size you normally get now on Play-Dohs.
yeah.
So that's
let's
what
see.
happened. They shrunk.
They shrunk them, and they probably charge more. So, all right, let's test out these molds. Oh, yuck. This is like so crusty and gross. This is hilarious, though. I can't get over how gross those are. That is just...
Part of me thought it might actually be
I know,
good,
me too.
But then, oh no.
Yeah, I actually
No
thought...
way.
But the molds and everything, this stuff, the playset
Yeah,
stuff, is
this
in
stuff's
great...
all good.
I mean, and the color is so...
That's
it was
great
folded up
right
all
there.
these years. And there's a little bit of rust from the packages.
Which that should clean
That
off.
should come right off, though. It's just dust. But this, to me, this is so cute and totally worth
Looks great.
having. Oh my gosh, it's really adorable.
Oh, come on.
Ugh. So now we're having problems with modern technology. I always have to smell Play-Doh because it smells awesome.
Ah, that's much better.
Yes, compared to this grossness. Oh my god, I gotta take pictures of the comparison because that is gross. I don't think anyone would believe it if. I'm gonna make strawberry. Is there strawberry over here? Oh, this feels much better than the old icky. There was supposed to be a knife, I thought too. I didn't see it in the box.
No. Yeah, there is. Oh, you didn't get the yellow knife, or did it just?
Oh, or maybe it's
Oh,
in
there it
here.
is.
Oh yeah, this is a vintage Play-Doh yellow knife that they all came with back in the day. Like these seem to be working really good.
Wow, that turned
Oh,
out
it's
good.
cute. There's actually a lot of detail in this pattern too.
Wow.
Yeah.
No kidding.
How's
Okay,
that?
here's Huckleberry Pie. I don't know how well the
I
camera's going to
I
zoom
should
up.
get my
But
camera.
yeah, it's actually
And strawberry.
good detail on these.
I know. I gotta take pictures of these guys. I'll put pictures in so you can see how cute they look. They look really adorable.
Even 30-some years ago, they did some decent. So we
Cool.
got 4. So we got apple dumpling, strawberry shortcake,
there's like a
huckleberry
little-
pie, and
There's a little
blueberry
thing
muffin.
here. I don't know what this one is. It's like a little ladybug, maybe? I think it is a little
no, wait.
ladybug.
Is it?
Yeah.
Because
Or strawberry.
apple comes with the turtle.
Yeah. Yes.
And
He's
I
on
don't
here.
have turtle. I got cheesecake on this one, which is
Okay.
blueberry muffin.
Ah, that's the name of it. I was trying to remember.
But I think you had pupcake over in that one, which is
Yes.
huckleberries.
So you could make these a little more detailed if you're talented like that and put faces and stuff. Oh yeah, it's a little ladybug. That's cute. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. This is like one of the best things I've ever bought on eBay.
I'm one of those that I can't mix Play-Doh though.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
can't
me
mix
neither. Don't
colors.
worry. And then I have to put it back in the right container.
We
too.
do it, like for our Play-Doh videos,
Yeah.
we do it. But it's like I hate mixing colors.
No, I don't. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I've watched people do that rainbow dash, and they rainbowify her hair, but then I'm like,
Although we've got so much Play-Doh
Yeah.
containers that
now
we've got so many
His
backups.
face didn't come out.
So
good.
there is Blueberry Muffin,
Oh,
which
super
that one turned out
cute.
cool.
Oh, she is one of my favorites, Blueberry. Do you have one that was your favorite?
Huckleberry is my
Huckleberry,
favorite.
yeah.
Huckleberry and Purple Pie Man.
Oh, yeah,
I don't know if
those
it's
are
because they were
cool.
the boys,
Yeah.
but when I would play
That's funny.
when I would play Strawberry Shortcake with my sister, those were the ones I always
See,
grabbed.
that's funny because we had that going on too. Me and my brother, like we'd play Star Wars, and I would be. I cannot get this dog's face right. I would be Princess Leia and the droids and Yoda, or I would be like Lady Jane and Scarlet when we played GI Joe, or because it was like a weird thing. Like now, it's
It
cool,
would, yeah.
and people are very cool about letting kids play with like different gender toys. But when I was a kid, and maybe too, like it was very like. You play with boy stuff, and you play with.
I definitely played with the girl stuff. I just kind of gravitated towards those. I don't know if they were because of the boy.
Yeah.
Like when we would play Care Bears, although I did.
Not get this puppy face.
I liked
Good.
Dr. or Professor Freeze, so I played
cool.
with Professor Cold, so I played with
Yeah.
him. But then I also liked
Ladybug.
like Good Luck Bear and stuff
I
like
love
that,
the
and Grumpy.
Bears, too.
Oh, that one did
We had
fun. I
all
need more
those
Play-Doh.
awesome toys when we were kids. We figured out.
I always tell Alex that, like in the 80s, we had the best toys.
We did. I'm
and
sorry, guys.
I still have 80s toys that last to this day,
Me
and they're
too.
still great condition.
I have like miniatures that I kept. I still have my Cabbage Patch dolls and Pound Puppies, and I have to.
I wish I would have kept a lot more.
I have to get some of those out because for my like Throwback Thursday is what I'd be calling these kind of videos, and I'll have to do more of those. I know. We've been seeing lots of like retro ponies downstairs. I'm like, my sister had this, my sister had that. I could have had a whole stable.
My sister had a whole bunch, but
Yeah.
we played with them, so
Yeah.
they got wore
Yeah.
out.
Oh, a
so they
lot of
weren't
our
in all
toys
that great a
probably
condition.
We're all beat up and abused. Or like our Barbies. We just had to get rid of our Barbies because we had them in the basement. Oh, look at Apple Dumpling. She's adorable.
Oh, that's cool.
These are so
Okay.
cute.
Now come on, cheesy. I'm trying to get a good.
Oh,
This is like my fourth try, and
I
I
had
can't
trouble
get.
with the dog. I kind of just.
I can't get a good impression of cheesecake.
They're actually really cute little molds.
One last.
Like you can see the little diamond patterns on her dress, and the bow in the back, and even like there's like little ruffles on her leggings. That is really cool.
Okay, that's as good as I can get cheesecake.
Aw.
It's all right
They're so
there.
cute.
That one's not as well detailed as
So
the figures.
then they can go for a ride on the ladybug.
Oh, that's what that's for.
Yeah, it's just like a little
That's
it's just
cool.
like a little toy to play with. It's not like a functional.
Yeah, there's
mold or
not even
anything.
any molds on it.
No, but they can just go and ride. That was kind of like the idea. I put the ladybug on the ladybug. They're so super
These are
cute.
cool.
I don't know. This is
You
really
know,
cute.
probably the thing I like best about this
Yeah.
set is the booklet.
Oh, I know, the little pamphlets.
Because
And
it's
the,
everything that comes and the sheet.
and the Play-Doh booklet here is really cute. And it's just like,
It's like this takes you right back to
even just like the
when you were a
fashions,
kid.
like the kids wearing turtlenecks and stuff. And the little barrette in her hair. That could have been me and my
Oh.
brother.
They've got
I
the plush.
Love the old toy. I used to
Right
just
there.
pour over these, and I had the jewelry. There's jewelry in here.
Yep.
Like you used to be able to cut out the little berry points
Yep.
and send away, and like I lived for that stuff. And I still have one of the charms somewhere in my jewelry box.
That's so
at home.
cool. Yeah, it's all the stuff.
Yeah,
it's
the
the
miniatures. I've been
miniatures.
collecting some of those too. They're really fun.
That's what I'm starting next, is to
Yeah.
get my miniatures.
They're really cool. Oh, these are so cute.
Oh, and there's the
Oh, and the case, the berry patch case,
case for the miniatures.
which I also have that. It's very cool stuff.
Cool. And
Oh,
there's
and the
the Play-Doh.
baking set. I think I wanted that too, and I think it's
Baking.
like the Easy Bake Oven. They're so cute. Oh yeah, and then they can hang out. I don't know if you guys can see what all this.
Probably can't see.
You probably can't see.
But then
them.
you can use
But
the
you can
mat
like
to play with.
and have like little adventures.
There's like a
and-
little village, a
and then,
walking path, the different
like that's
buildings.
what we would do with this stuff when we played with it. Definitely, it's really really cute. And like the moles in the, I'm not.
Seriously, I would almost frame this.
I know. I kind of
'Cause
want
it's
to.
like-
It's
such
really
a neat
cute.
piece of like 80s art.
It really
or
is.
70s, because this was
'Cause,
actually
yeah,
79.
It's late 70s. Let me hold it up again. Oh, I don't want to smush my little guys here, but I mean, it really is pretty classic, and it's in excellent
Yes.
condition. So the molds and this, I think, were definitely worth it. I am not that disappointed about the old Play-Doh. I really was hoping one of them would be in better shape,
Yeah,
but it's too funny. What are you
but
gonna
the
do?
fact you do get some cool, like this one, these are taped up, but this is
Yes.
a good display one.
Yeah.
Like if you want to
Oh,
display
yeah, actually, I
an
could
old
clean
can.
them- clean one
yeah,
up.
I mean, just it'll clean up
That would look cool
pretty
on your
decent.
toy shelf.
Display an old can of Play-Doh
Yeah, that's very cool.
by Kenner.
And I wish I knew how much I paid for this, but I didn't pay more than $30, I think, for an
That's
unopened
good.
box. The box art actually is really nice too.
Yeah, that's actually going to be cool to display
It's
too.
a very cool little
Because
find.
that's in really good condition.
Yeah, I love it.
That's awesome.
One day when I have my night shelves like you have, I'm gonna have that in there. But yeah, I like the idea of framing this.
Yay,
really
fun!
cute.
So thank you for
Yeah,
having me.
thank you for
This is
coming and
cool.
playing and
Play-Doh.
reminiscing. This was super fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sure you guys already do, but check out Hey That's Mike on YouTube. They are awesome. And you can like this video, subscribe, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and follow them too, because they're awesome. And we'll see you guys real soon.
Bye.
Bye.